how to make a necklace or earrings on Lightburn. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, import your image from Sketch School. Try not to use Procreate because the pencils are better for doing artwork that's going to stay on the screen rather than what's going to easily be laser cutted. Alright, I'm going to drag and pull over. So remember, you're going to right click, trace your image, pull them off, delete your original. Now, if we're doing earrings or a necklace, it needs to be quite small. I recommend no larger than about 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. So here's my little cutie. Now you have a few options here. So if you want to engrave part of him, but cut out other parts, you're going to click on it, right click, ungroup, and you can pick the parts you want to engrave. So I want to engrave this little red part here. I want to engrave maybe his eyes. And the setting you want, by the way, is about 20 speed, 80 power for your cut, which will be your black line in this case, and 435 for power for your engraving. So engraving is going to laser out that whole area. If you see some pieces that you think are a bit of a mess, like that, right click. You can ungroup if you did. So like watch how I did again. Click, ungroup, click. Now you can move the pieces around. Cut out that. Engrave that. Engrave this. Oops, I don't like how that is. So I might just engrave all this. So I've chosen to engrave all of them. So you can do it, engrave part, and then just add a little circle here. And there's your necklace. But I want to add, well, circle and then black. But what I would rather do is add a little area around him. So you can do a circle, of course, and add that and make a little pendant. But one of the really cool tools you can do, hit the pencil icon, click your guy around, group, right click group. See this little O over here, click on it, and it'll add a little bevel around your character. I think that 5 is probably fine. And you can make different ways. You can bevel it outward, inward. It's probably better to do round. And so outer shape only is great. Right now you're going to make sure that line's your cut line, or otherwise nothing's going to cut out. And make sure that you have a little circle on the inside that you will cut out as well. So here's the interesting part now. We're actually going to highlight both the black parts here. We're actually going to move that right here. And you should have a really cool necklace when you're done. If you wanted to, you could also do two different shapes. Like you might have a shield of some sort. I'll show you an example of that where you can make it out of wood. But if you just want to do a bit of acrylic here, otherwise you'll need two projects. So let's see the final product.